Hello makers, welcome back to Abir Maker.
Jackpot! Look at this treasure haul. Makers, check out these epic scrap items. Wow, this is look amusing. Makers, this is a simple toy car. Makers, look, this remote control car is broken. Makers, wait, what is this? Oh, it is a Bluetooth speaker. Makers, wait, what is this? Oh, it is a broken padlock. Oh, it is a spray paint can. Listen to that. Wow, another one. This is yellow. Now we have red and yellow. Let's save them for later. Wait, what is this sound? It is a simple piano. Wow, amazing. Makers, what do you think this is? It is a CD driver. We can get a DC motor here to make cool project. Makers, look, we found so many phones. Oh no. Makers, a mini scooter. It is looks like a simple toy, but wow, amazing. Oh, I found keyboard phone over there, but it is not working. Here is a remote controller and this button. Wow, so satisfying. Wow, amazing. North and South Pole are attracting. Makers, it is a soldering iron 1 to 20 voltage AC current. Makers, tell me, what is this? It looks amusing. A Bluetooth speaker, and look, again a Bluetooth speaker. Wow, amazing. Makers, check this out. It is a vintage relay. Makers, looks like I know this. It is a mini water pump. This is the super duper small DC motor. Oh, Maker, look, a broken remote controller car. Look at this small fishing light. Oh no, it is not working. Maker, check this out. A small center tap transformer, 3 wire output, 2 wire input. This measuring tape is broken, but just listen to that sound. It is look like a good measuring tape, but no, it's broken. We will open it up later. Check this out. A small 4-volt battery, but it is totally dead. Makers a small cooling fan, but oh no, it is broken. Makers, look, it is a mini Bluetooth speaker. It is so cute. Look at these amazing items. Any idea? One hot cool project I can build? Look, it is a hair trimmer. Makers, so how was the idea? Let me know. Makers, look at this. How do you think it is amusing? Makers, I am spray painting the wrong way. Just look at my hands. What a mist. Makers, look at my idea here. It is effective but handled with care.
If you enjoyed this, you will love this video on the left side. Click it now.